1811. This is Willowick, Ohio. You can see we just purchased this house, so I want to do like a series for you. How we go through these houses, what we do with them. This particular one, the inspection came back that the basement wall was kind of funny. So we had a structural engineer come out, proved it. We got the paperwork, so we're all good to go. This one's got a nice double car garage. We always get the trash dumpsters like this, so we can fill those up, keep the working area clean. It's a great driveway. You see all the cement, it's all cracks in it, a little bit of water there, but we've gotten a lot of rain, so we'll have to check that out. It should be draining. So let's go through here. In fact, they're putting in a new drain with this house because we had it checked with the city, and the city says we need a new drain, so the seller actually paid for most of that. Here's the kitchen, so you can see we're going to be putting in new flooring. He's prepping all the drywall and stuff because this is not a good color. We'll get the cabinets painted, looking good. This one also has the newer windows, which I like. It's a nice big kitchen. It has the gas stove stayed, and so did the refrigerator. I think this was more of an estate deal. I think someone passed away here, or was in a home and needed some money. We purchased it. This one is a very nice home, and again, it has a nice living room. It had carpet here. We took it out. So, so the beautiful wood floors, will be cleaning these and polying them as we go. And you can see here, he's in here doing that now. He's getting it all detailed out so you can start rolling. And what's nice about this one too, what I really like is if it's a one story, so there's all the bedrooms are on one level, so that really helps out the look. And then we're gonna have to clean up this. We're gonna be putting in a new one here, a new vanity, new toilet. We're gonna clean up the bathroom. But again, it has to pop. It has to have that wow factor, and that's what we do. We're gonna clean and poly, blinds, plugs, switches, lights, everything. So it's gonna look really good when we're done. In fact, you'll be shocked. So, but I wanted to show you kind of how we started. You see, he got all that. He's got we spray the ceilings too, so those are all sprayed and ready to go there. Ceilings are important. You don't want, heck, it look bad. So there's a ceiling paint, easy to use, easy to do, and that's what we do. Now we do have a full basement with this one. This one will rent for right at I think it's $13.50 a month. So. Good area, very good area. And you can see here he's got this all tore out, all this done. And so we got all that. And it's funny how that people put stuff in because, here it's obviously, there's a toilet and a vanity. Well, there's an electrical box. I don't think that's the code. So we'll be fixing that. So that has to kind of go away, unfortunately. And then there's an older heater here, so I believe, I didn't look at the quote, but I believe we're putting a new one in there. These are all inspected, so I have the quotes. I think this one's okay, this particular. Water heaters kind of went south. There was one particular water heater company was having all kinds of problems now. You have to buy Rehab, and they raised their prices. And anyway, it's all good. We're still on the budget. You have to look out for stuff like that when you're buying a house like this. You want to make sure that all the plumbing's good, all the electrical's good, the heating, HVAC, all the main stuff, because that's what's going to cause you trouble with the tenants once they get in. The average tenant over here stays about 24 months. So we have I think we have 15, 20 over here. So you want to keep all that in mind when you're buying a house. How long is the tenant staying? What's the value? This one's going to have right around 30,000 equity when we're done with it. That's real equity. They could sell it and get it. And roof and everything was inspected. Everything's good. So this is your first video. This is what we're doing. We're going through getting it ready and prepping it to finish. And then we'll get this up for rent. And you can kind of watch it through the whole process. So again, this is Brett with Brett's Realty Group. The new channel name, check it out, Brett's Realty Group. Like and subscribe, it's awesome. You'll always get new videos here. We do a ton of homes, and I want you guys to know what's right way to do things, so you don't have to, it doesn't cost you a ton of money to make mistakes. It just costs a lot if you do. So give me a call, 216-703-5740, 216-703-5740 if you want something in the Cleveland market. Again, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.